Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Friday, July 2nd, 2021. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Happy Friday, everyone. We are now past the NFP report from this morning here. More jobs than expected added compared to the forecast here. We have a bump higher for the ES and the NQ heading into the RTH Open. You can see the last couple of days higher here as we flow through the 4250 resistance. Again, as we've mentioned before, any pullback into the breakout point 4250 could still provide a buying opportunity for a continuation ahead later on this month. Will we see a pullback of some magnitude here over the next day or two? We will see. But again, if we do, it could be a great continuation toward new highs ahead. This market remains very, very strong until proven otherwise. Speaking of which, if you missed our monthly market outlook yesterday, the recording has been posted. We took a look at a ton of different futures, stocks, crypto, and have a lot of great opportunities here for the next month, the next quarter, and even 2 quarters ahead. So check that out. Posted to the website and also to various parts of the web, including the PivotBoss EchoFin trading room and YouTube. So check that out. Here's a look at the NQ right now. Again, very bullish overall, continuing higher. You can see not quite a failed new low. We were looking for another failed new low for a push higher. Instead, just driving up right now through the previous quarter's high and showing strength again. This market remains in a very bullish trend over the last several weeks. Any pullback still could provide a great continuation ahead. Even if it's as deep as 14.2, that could lead for a nice continuation ahead toward 15K and beyond. Right now, this market remains strong until proven otherwise, being as though we are on highs. Right now, any pullback still remains a buying opportunity, so patience could be important here as we look for an opportunity. If we take a look here at crude oil, you'll notice crude oil right now down a little bit, down about 0.25%, about a doji day right here after a big day up. As a tremendous breakout and move yesterday, it was able to close barely above the day's midpoint, making this barely bullish moving into today. But overall, this market has been very strong, as has been the others. Even if we were to pull back a bit deeper, say as deep as 70 or anything below 72, between 70 and 72, could be a great continuation for a move toward 80 up ahead. We've nearly gotten the 76, 72s. We got within 50 cents of that target right here at 76.22. Still, we have that target to go with more upside likely ahead. Again, any pullback, perhaps below 72, maybe as deep as 70, not likely to get that deep, but any pullback could lead to a great buying opportunity for continuation ahead until proven otherwise. Lastly, taking a look at gold futures here. This market right now showing strength. We mentioned a little bit earlier it was on the ropes. It almost got a major failure through 1760, but we were starting to see initial signs of rejection. I mentioned if we're able to see a rejection at 1760 on these lows, we would likely return back toward 1800 and the recent highs. We're right in that zone now. A nice continuation today. This is where it will get very interesting to see if we can extend this move higher, or does this bounce lead to a lower high and drop. So 1800 is going to be very important. If price can push through 1800 and close beyond it, it goes a long way toward returning back to the upper FOMC key level. A failure to close above that level, or perhaps a tail that develops at these highs, could lead to a lower high and a continuation to the downside. So right now, very good short-term move back toward recent highs. We'll see how price plays out around the 1800 level. All right, that's it for now. We'll see how this plays out heading into the rest of the session. Good luck, trade well, happy Friday. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, we are observing the 4th of July holiday here in the United States on Monday, and so the next pre-market video will come out shortly thereafter. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you in the trading room. Take care.